Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit Facebook notifications on Android. First, you're going to need to go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Apps. Next, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right-hand corner. Then you're going to type Facebook. Then you're going to tap on Facebook. Next, you're going to select Notifications. And here you'll see the numerous notifications that you'll get on Facebook. And for instance, you want to change the notification sound for people you may know. You'll simply tap on that. Then you'll select Sound. And here you can choose the sound that you would like to get notified with when someone you know joins Facebook. For instance, this sound right here. Then you can simply tap back. And for instance, whenever you get a friend request, you want to change that notification also, you'll tap on Sound again. And from here you can scroll down, and as you can see, there are numerous options you can choose from. And that's it. And that's how you'll go right along the line and select a notification sound for each notification. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to edit notifications on Facebook.